got the panel, jeans, quilt. Cut the jeans up the side seam. Cut the panels, cut 2. Patch the hole. Doing another patch at the top. Thought I'd do a close-up of putting this on. So here's the point. Notice this point goes a little higher up. We're trying to prevent having like any sort of hole up there. Sometimes you have part of a seam. I try to use it if I have it intact on both sides. And yeah, it becomes part of the seam allowance, and then you just have more material to work with. So again, notice I have extra up here, and yeah. It's always best to do the point, I think, with a regular sewing machine. It's detail work, it's point work. Okay, so I've sewn both of the panels on. I used a combo of like serging and sewing, so we're going to check the points now. It's always like big reveal time. Extra fabric here I'm going to cut off. I didn't measure how long my panels should be. These are so cute. So we can see the patchwork in front. Look at that, giving them a new life. So obviously I need to do something about this, but we'll check the points. Okay, this point's kind of interesting because it's like inside, and I can see some stitches here, so I'll probably rip that out and see if I can make a better result there. This one, I always like to feel in the points just to see if there's any holes. I'll reinforce this one as well. But maybe we can get away with it. Let's see. All right, these are done. So we've got some, these are Levi's wedgie size 24. And yeah, it's got kind of a fall vibe. Very pretty teal maroon and coordinating floral patches. Cool. Yeah, so you can make your own. Click the link in my bio. You can get a free pattern. And if you do create something, tag me. I want to see your creations. You can do it.